Hi, Lisa. Do you usually save money?
Hi, Jack. Yes, I try to save a little every month.
That's smart. I'm trying to save too.
Saving money is hard sometimes, right?
Yes, especially when there are sales online.
Haha, I know. I just bought a new bag last week.
Was it expensive?
Not too much. It was 30% off.
That's a good deal.
What about you? Do you shop online often?
Sometimes, but I try to limit myself.
Do you use a budget planner?
No, but I want to start one.
It helps a lot. I write down what I spend every day.
That sounds helpful. I always forget where my money goes.
Same here. That's why I use an app now.
Oh, which app do you use?
It's called Money Track. Super easy to use.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
Do you have a saving goal?
Yes, I'm saving for a trip next year.
That's exciting. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan. It's my dream trip.
That's so cool. Japan is on my list too.
Travel is a great reason to save money.
I agree. Memories are more valuable than things.
But still, it's hard not to buy cute things.
Haha, true. I always fall for stationery.
I know, those pens and notebooks are dangerous.
Let's try to save together. We can support each other.
That's a great idea, Lisa. Deal.
See you in the next video.